In 1989, the world was introduced to Winslow family and their annoying neighbor Steve Urkel through one of the most successful spin-offs of all time. Family Matters was a spin-off of ABC's Perfect Strangers. The show focused on a middle-class black family who lives in the Chicago suburbs, and the show revolved around their day-to-day happenings. In this equation, the twist was always added by their neighbor who didn't understand that he wasn't a part of the Winslow family. The show saw a pretty successful run and was on for 9 years. Hello everyone, and welcome to True Celebrity Stories. It's been more than 3 decades since Family Matters became a part of so many people's lives. Today we'll take a look at what is the cast up to nowadays. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment and share. Also, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss any updates. Reginald VelJohnson. Reginald VelJohnson played the patriarch of the Winslow family, Carlton Otis Winslow. He was a police officer who took his job very seriously. In the initial seasons, Carl had the most dislike for his always intruding neighbor Steve. He was the character who was stern but equally protective of his clan. Reginald was praised a lot for representing a loving black father in that era, especially on mainstream television. He's still always mentioned in any list of greatest TV fathers. After Family Matters ended, Reginald went on to do a lot more theatre work. He also became a successful voice actor and lent his voice to the TV show Laser Wolf. In recent years, he's again started coming in front of the camera much more. He appeared on the show Mum and has also done a comedy movie after a long time called The Very Excellent Mr. Dundee. Jo Marie Payton. Jo Payton played the role of Harriet Baines Winslow, the mother hen of the Winslow family. She was a loving mother and a dedicated wife. Amidst all of the chaos that the family was all about, Harriet was the only one who used to keep balance in the house. She was close to her children and also had a very upfront relationship with her husband, whom she used to tell off when he was being cranky. Since the beginning of the show, Harriet has shown an empathetic attitude towards their awkward neighbor Steve. She even blamed her husband's short temper for always scolding him. Jo left the show after playing Harriet for 8 years. Even after the show ended, Payton has continued to work, which has kept her fans happy. On Disney Channel's show The Proud Family, she gave the voice of Sugar Mama Proud. In 2020, she appeared in Conundrum Secrets Among Friends as Miss Joanna. Nowadays, Jo portrays Lorraine Mann for the show Man and Wife. Darius McRae. Darius McRae portrayed Eddie James Arthur Winslow, the oldest child of Harriet and Carl. Eddie was introduced as a teenager who was not doing very well in school. Then after 2 seasons, Eddie got more rebellious and prone to gambling, much to his father's dismay. In the final season, the writers finally gave him a shot at redemption by showing that he got his act together and got accepted into a college. Eventually, he also decided to become a police officer just like his father. Eddie also didn't like Steve at the beginning, but as the show progressed, they formed a brotherly bond and became each other's best friends. When the show ended, Darius had already become a household name, so it wasn't difficult for him to find more projects. In the movie Love Under New Management, the Mickey Howard story, he recently portrayed the R&B icon Gerald Levert. Kelly Shadine Williams. Kelly played Laura Lee Winslow, which was one of the most powerful female characters ever written for television. She was the eldest daughter of Carl and Harriet. Laura was smart, ambitious, and a hustler by nature. She had such a type A personality that her parents sometimes had to intervene to remind her about taking it easy. She excelled in her studies and even worked hard to save money for her own expenses. Laura was a perfectionist in every aspect of her life except for one. She always went after the wrong guys. Steve was always shown trying to woo her, but Laura always belittled him. It was in the final seasons when she realized Steve's love for her, and towards the end they got their happy ending. When the show was being aired, rumors were rife about Kelly's chemistry with Jaleel White, who portrayed the quirky Steve. But since then, every time both of the characters have been asked, they have only declined it by saying it was just good acting. Kelly Williams has now become Kelly Jackson, but her fans would be heartbroken to know that she has quit acting. She last appeared on screen in 2011, and since then her main focus is her family and many charities that she's been associated with. Jamie Foxworth. Jamie portrayed the youngest biological child, Judy Winslow. Judy completed the cute quotient in the family. She was extremely close to her sister Laura. Over the years, her arc could have developed into something when she would have grown up, but it came as a shock to fans when her character completely disappeared from the show after the last appearance in season 4. She's last shown going upstairs and then her character was written off. The producers, when asked, only hinted at letting her go due to budget cuts. After the series, Jamie continued her career as a singer and formed an R&B group with her sisters called She. In 1997, they released their debut album Three's a Charm, and then she even disappeared as a singer. The last news which came about her was about becoming a mum, and now she prefers to stay out of the limelight. Rosetta Lenoir. Rosetta played the character of Carl's mother, Estelle Winslow. She was a kind-hearted and wise old woman. Unlike the rest of the Winslow clan, Estelle had always been fond of Stephen and treated him just like one of her own grandchildren. Whenever Carl acted unreasonable, Estelle used to be the first one to call him out. Sadly, soon after the show ended, Rosetta passed away. On March 17, 2002, she passed away in the hospital due to complications from diabetes. Telma Hopkins. Telma played Harriet's younger sister Rachel Baines Crawford, who moved in with them after her husband's death. She was quite vocal about the fact that she was way prettier than Harriet. She was also shown as a strong female character who sings, writes, and then opens her own Rachel's Place, a hangout place for teenagers. For the first 4 seasons, she was a regular cast member, but then to start in another show, she left for 1 whole year. That show got cancelled, and then Telma only appeared as a recurring character. To this day, Telma is working actively in the industry. She was recently seen in Netflix's Dead to Me and Family Reunion. Sean Harrison. Sean Harrison played the ultimate role of Waldo Geraldo Faldo, the most dim-witted friend in the guys group. In earlier seasons, he was the sidekick of the big bully, Willie, although he wasn't exactly the bad guy, he was just hanging out with the wrong crowd. Then as the show went on, Waldo became friends with Steve and Eddie. In his company, even Steve managed to look rather street smart. Since the show ended, Sean has not been seen as active as the rest of his castmates. He's only done a few selective projects, and that too only appeared as special appearances in shows like Peaches and Girlfriends. Jaleel White. Jaleel was undoubtedly the star of the show. His character Steve Urkel was written as just a one-time appearance, but his acting made it an instant hit among the fans. He was the goofy, awkward, and troublesome but sort of innocent neighbor who couldn't stay away from the Winslow family. Today the show is remembered because of his character, but he wasn't even introduced till the 12th episode of the first season. Carl didn't even try to hide his dislike in the initial seasons for Steve, but that didn't affect his fondness towards the Winslow family. He did really respect Carl the most and called him Big Guy. At the end of the show, Steve did manage to become a part of his favorite family as he was engaged to be married to Laura Winslow. Throughout the show's run, Jaleel's popularity only managed to go higher and higher. He became one of the most successful actors of the 90s. His character wasn't just famous, it became a pop culture phenomenon. After Family Matters ended, Jaleel had no dearth of shows and he went on to star on some of the most successful projects. Jaleel can be seen in shows like Family Reunion, Raven's Home, and in 2018 he even did a movie called 1517 to Paris. He's now a doting father to a baby girl named Samaya, which he shares with his ex-girlfriend Bridget Hardy. Recently in an interview, Jaleel revealed he wasn't quite welcomed by the team as they thought his character was just a one-off thing. I was not welcomed to the cast at all. They know what it was. I didn't think anything of it, being cast to be on Family Matters because it was supposed to be a guest spot, one and done. But as the world knows today, it was his character that made the show stand out. In the last 3 decades, it has become a comfort show for millions around the world who still sees it to relive the nostalgia. Well, that's a wrap for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button to get the notifications. Also, don't forget to watch other videos on this channel that explore more topics like this.